Hi, everyone. One of the things I mentioned before was Google Scholar, and I made the suggestion that perhaps if you were to have it in your browser as a button, it's a really good way to kind of stay apprised of information, create citation or bibliographies for areas that you're interested in. One of the other things you could do with Google Scholar is actually connect it to other libraries if you have access. So as you can see here, I'm just going to the library links area under settings. And for me, I have access to Georgian College settings in the databases, but I also have access to UBC. Different schools have different databases and they subscribe to different journals. So the more libraries that you have access to, the greater your opportunity to actually have good results. So I can show you an example of what that might look like. If I was to go in and click ankle sprain and I'm looking for a consensus statement, I can find that quite readily. On the right hand side, if there's a link in one of your libraries, it'll show. So as you can see here, the first item up here is clinical assessment of acute lateral ankle sprains and a consensus statement from some experts. And there is a UBC link. So when I click on that, if you look here, I actually have the full text online available to me. So again, just a quick sort of tip. If you have access to library databases in your area of practice, you'll probably find that there might be an academic library around. And of course, the RMTAO provides opportunities for people to access databases as members as well. But if you have access to an academic library and there's a cost to it, all you have to do is actually eat that cost as part of your business practice as well. So that's it for now. If you have any other questions about Google Scholar or research or anything like that, please drop me a line and I'd be more than happy to help out.